Egyptian onions, also known as walking onions, perennial onions, or tree onions, are fascinating plants that produce clusters of bulblets at the top of tall, hollow stems. Here's how you can grow and use Egyptian onions. Growing Egyptian onions. 1. Planting. Egyptian onions can be planted in the spring or fall. Plant the bulblets or set small bulbs about 1–2 inches deep in well-draining soil. Space them 6–12 inches apart in rows or clusters. Choose a sunny location with fertile soil for best results. 2. Watering. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially during dry periods or when the plants are actively growing. However, Egyptian onions are relatively drought-tolerant once established and can withstand some periods of dryness. 3. Mulching. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Mulching also helps protect the shallow roots of Egyptian onions. 4. Fertilizing. Egyptian onions don't require heavy fertilization, but you can apply a balanced fertilizer or compost in the spring to promote healthy growth. Avoid high nitrogen fertilizers, as they can encourage excessive foliage growth at the expense of bulb development. 5. Harvesting. Egyptian onions can be harvested at various stages of growth. You can harvest the green tops as scallions or green onions throughout the growing season. For mature bulbs, wait until the tops have died back and the bulbs have developed fully. Lift the bulbs gently from the soil and brush off any excess dirt,